Cleansing the atmosphere. The things that are facing our planet are daunting. All these concepts that I've been presenting are so broad in concept and stroke that it may be hard to even conceive that we could do all these things. But we've always shown that we can do things if we want to. Can we solve the water shortage crisis? Absolutely. Can we solve the food shortage? Absolutely. But there has been no proposal for any solution on how we're going to cleanse the atmosphere. This proposal, by virtue of the components that must be laid in place in the foundation, we create the desalination plant technology. We then distribute the water. By distributing the water, we plant the plants. And it is the plants, it's the chlorophyll, it's the oxygen plants, that chlorophyll process, drawing in the carbon dioxide and generating oxygen. It is the only feasible, possible, most rapid mechanism for repairing and healing the Earth's atmosphere that we have at our disposal. There is nothing else that we could do. We just can't build a machine to go scrub the atmosphere like a vacuum cleaner. It makes no sense to do something like that. We need the food anyway. We need the water anyway. And this is the natural way, it's self-sustaining. If we put those plants in place, it creates humidity, which creates clouds, which creates rain, which supplements the water process. We have to plant plants virtually everywhere. We're going to have to turn the planet back into a green, lush planet. By doing so, we've created a mechanism, possibly the only mechanism, that will cleanse the atmosphere. It's our one opportunity to cleanse the atmosphere and pull tons and tons and tons of CO2 out of the atmosphere. By doing so, the heat is released from the atmosphere and global warming doesn't exist anymore. It's not global warming, it's global business as usual. The temperatures can come back to normal. So if the temperatures come back to normal, maybe the coral reefs don't die. So the point to be made here is the most significant thing that we can do, aside from solving our self-created problems because of population growth and industrialization, the problems with the water shortage and the food shortage, and having, grains for alternative fuels, we can cleanse the atmosphere. And this may be our only shot to do so.